Listen, I need you to stop what you're doing right now, because what I'm about to tell you could literally change everything you thought you knew about one of the healthiest drinks on the planet. You wake up, you feel proud, you grab that fresh beetroot, juice it, pour yourself a tall glass, and think you're doing something incredible for your body. Your heart, your liver, your energy, all getting that natural boost, right? Wrong. Here's the thing nobody's telling you. That one ingredient you just added turned your health drink into a ticking time bomb. I know that sounds dramatic, but stay with me, because by the end of this, you're going to understand why thousands of people are accidentally sabotaging their health every single morning, and you might be one of them. The power you're playing with. Beets are insanely powerful. Inside this simple red vegetable are compounds so potent that they can literally open your blood vessels, improve circulation, support your liver, and boost your stamina in ways most supplements can't even touch. But here's what they don't tell you in those Instagram recipes. Anything this powerful demands respect. Those same compounds that heal can also react violently when mixed with the wrong ingredients. And I mean violently. We're talking stomach irritation, nutrient blocking, liver stress, fermentation, skyrocketing oxalate levels, and in some cases, dangerous drops in blood pressure. The worst part? Most of these deadly combinations are trending on social media right now. Recipe books recommend them, your friends swear by them, and nobody has any idea what's happening inside their bodies. Until today. Combination number 1, the lemon trap. Let me guess, you add lemon to your beet juice because it tastes fresh, and you heard vitamin C is good for you, right? Stop right now. Here's what actually happens. Lemon is highly acidic. The moment that citric acid hits those raw beet compounds, your stomach environment goes haywire. The pH shifts dramatically, and if you're over 50 or if you have gastritis, acid reflux, or any kind of sensitive stomach, you're about to feel it. Heartburn, nausea, that sour, burning feeling creeping up your throat. But it gets worse. Those plant-based iron compounds in beets, the special pigments that build your blood and boost circulation, they need a stable environment to get absorbed. Lemon destroys that stability. So instead of absorbing nutrients, your body's fighting acid, while the iron you desperately need just passes through. Some people feel dizzy, weak, confused. They blame the beets, but it's the lemon overstimulating stomach acid and irritating their esophagus. Now, look, I'm not saying lemon itself is evil. A couple of drops for flavor may be okay if your stomach's strong, but that big squeeze, half a lemon, whole lemon, you're asking for trouble. Want brightness? Use a few drops. Want health? Skip it entirely. Combination number 2, the sweet poison. This one makes me furious because it's the most common mistake and it completely destroys the main reason people drink beet juice in the first place. Honey, sugar, sweet syrups. I get it, beets taste earthy. You want to make it pleasant, so you add honey because it's natural, it's from bees. How bad could it be? Here's the brutal truth. The second you add concentrated sugar to beet juice, you kill its power. Beets are loaded with nitrates that convert into nitric oxide. This is what opens your blood vessels, improves circulation, and keeps your blood pressure steady. It's literally the golden ticket inside that red root. But when sugar enters the equation, everything changes. The sugar and nitrates start competing in your gut. Fermentation begins, gas builds, bloating starts. Your blood sugar spikes hard and fast. And here's the kicker. That nitrate to nitric oxide conversion you need for heart health, sugar destroys it. You're not getting better blood flow, you're getting a sugar bomb that makes you crash later, stresses your pancreas, and forces your liver to work overtime processing both the sugar and the beet compounds simultaneously. For seniors, this is especially dangerous. Fatty liver, insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome. All of these get worse when you turn your healing beet juice into a dessert drink.
Doctors have said it plainly.
Added sugar weakens metabolic health, period. Even natural honey behaves like fast sugar in your bloodstream. It spikes insulin, triggers inflammation, increases oxidative stress, and for anyone with kidney issues, it forces your kidneys into overdrive. The truth is, beets are already naturally sweet. Your taste buds just need time to adjust. If you absolutely must soften the flavor, use cucumber or a tiny piece of green apple. Never honey, never sugar. Your heart deserves better than a sugary imposter pretending to be medicine. Combination number 4, the orange illusion. This one looks so healthy, doesn't it? Bright colors, fresh fruit, vitamin C. What could go wrong? Everything. Oranges are highly acidic, and when that acidity meets beet sugars and compounds, your stomach becomes a fermentation tank. Gas builds, bloating hits, cramping follows. If you have IBS, acid reflux, or gastritis, you'll feel it almost instantly. But the digestive chaos isn't even the worst part. Oranges pack massive amounts of vitamin C. Sounds great, except when it's concentrated in one drink with beets. That vitamin C overload actually blocks nitrate absorption. Remember those circulation-boosting nitrates? The ones keeping your heart healthy and your blood pressure steady? They can't convert to nitric oxide when vitamin C goes rogue. You think you're helping your heart. The drink is quietly sabotaging it. And because both beets and oranges are high in natural sugars, when you juice them together without fiber, they rush into your bloodstream at lightning speed. Blood sugar spikes, energy crashes, dizziness follows. For seniors with pre-diabetes or unstable blood pressure, this can trigger serious discomfort, brain fog, and fatigue. Here's the fix. Drink them separately. Beet juice on an empty stomach, orange juice earlier in the day with food. Let each do its job without interference. Combination number 4, the vinegar disaster. Some health trend convinced people that adding vinegar makes beet juice a detox powerhouse. It doesn't. It makes it dangerous. Vinegar is extremely acidic, so acidic that it destroys the nitrates in beet juice before your body can even use them. That's the end of your circulation benefits right there.
But it doesn't stop at nutrient loss. That harsh acetic acid in vinegar scratches and irritates your stomach lining, especially in older adults or anyone with reflux or gastritis. Burning, nausea, heavy discomfort, all within minutes. Here's where it gets scary. Beets naturally lower blood pressure by improving blood flow. Vinegar messes with your sodium and potassium balance. When these two forces collide, some people experience unexpected blood pressure drops, dizziness, and weakness. And if you have kidney issues, vinegar raises blood acidity, making your kidneys work harder to neutralize compounds that should never have been mixed. Add the oxalates from beets, and you're creating a perfect storm for kidney stress and stone formation. People think they're adding detox power. They're actually adding metabolic stress and forcing their liver to rebalance their body's pH under unnecessary pressure. Vinegar has its place in salad dressing and cooking. Keep it away from your beet juice. Combination number 5, the dairy nightmare. This might be the most shocking one yet because it seems so innocent. Some people blend beet juice with milk to make it creamier or softer. Maybe they think combining nutrients from both creates a superfood smoothie. What actually happens is a digestive disaster. Beetroot is acidic. Milk contains proteins, especially casein. When beet acidity hits milk proteins, they curdle. Not the gentle fermentation you get in yogurt. This is sudden, aggressive curdling happening inside your stomach. The result? Heavy, rock-like digestion. Fermentation, gas, bloating, reflux, hours of discomfort. Your body can't break down either food properly now. You absorb less calcium from the milk, fewer antioxidants from the beets. Both foods are essentially wasted. If you're lactose intolerant or have a sensitive stomach, which becomes more common after 50, this combination often triggers nausea, cramping, or sudden bathroom urgency. And here's the liver stress. Beet juice boosts nitric oxide and blood flow. Dairy slows digestion and thickens stomach contents. Your liver has to filter metabolic waste from both at once. For anyone with fatty liver, slow digestion, or reflux, this is a nightmare scenario. Better alternatives? Coconut water for creaminess and electrolytes. Cucumber for smoothness and kidney support. Both work with your body instead of against it. Keep dairy separate. Your stomach will thank you. Combination number 6, the spinach bomb. On paper, this looks like a nutrient explosion. 2 superfoods juiced together. What could be better? Your kidneys would like a word. Both spinach and beets are loaded with oxalates, natural plant compounds that bind to calcium and iron. When you juice them together, you create an oxalate overload your body can't handle. Here's what happens. Those oxalates attach to calcium in your kidneys and form calcium oxalate crystals, the most common, most painful type of kidney stone. You don't feel it immediately. It builds silently over days and weeks until suddenly you're in the emergency room wondering what went wrong. But kidney stones aren't the only problem. Those oxalates also block mineral absorption. You think you're getting all that calcium and iron from your super green juice. Your body's barely absorbing any of it. Over time, this can weaken bones, worsen anemia, cause fatigue, and trigger muscle weakness. For people with gut issues like IBS or low stomach acid, high oxalate juices irritate the digestive lining, causing bloating, cramping, and urgent bathroom trips. Seniors are especially vulnerable because the body's natural ability to clear crystal-forming compounds decreases with age. The fix is simple. Don't juice beets and spinach together. If you want greens with your beet juice, choose low oxalate options like kale, mint, celery, or romaine. And if you love spinach, cook it and eat it separately. Your kidneys work hard enough. Don't make them fight this battle. Combination number 7, the carrot deception. Beets and carrots seem like the perfect pair. 2 colorful roots, both nutrient-dense, showing up in every juice bar and detox recipe. But here's the truth nobody mentions. Together, they're an overload. Both are high in oxalates. Both are high in natural sugars. When you juice them together, you compress too much of both into one concentrated drink. The oxalate load increases your risk of calcium oxalate kidney stones, especially if you're a senior, diabetic, dehydrated, or have any kidney issues whatsoever. And that double sugar hit? Without fiber to slow things down, both sugars rush into your bloodstream simultaneously. Blood sugar spikes, insulin surges. For anyone with insulin resistance, fatty liver, or slow metabolism, this creates noticeable glucose swings, followed by fatigue, cravings, and inflammation. Many people also experience digestive discomfort, gas, bloating, heaviness, because without fiber, the sugars and oxalates ferment quickly in the gut. Each vegetable is healthy on its own. Together, they create more strain than support, stressing your kidneys, challenging your liver, disrupting blood sugar, and irritating digestion. Better approach? If you're drinking beet juice today, skip the carrot. If you want carrot juice, enjoy it separately or blend it with cucumber, celery, or a small piece of green apple. Your body will respond far better when you give it combinations that work with you, not against you. How to drink beet juice the right way. Now that you know what to avoid, let's talk about what actually works. Rule number 1, respect the dose. 1 medium beet per day. That's 100 to 120 milliliters of fresh juice, enough to boost energy and circulation without overloading your kidneys or causing dizziness. Rule number 2, keep it pure. No sugar, no honey, no sweeteners. Beet juice works best when it's clean. If the earthy taste is too strong, add cucumber, celery, or a small piece of green apple. Rule number 3, timing matters. Drink it first thing in the morning or 30 minutes before lunch on an empty or light stomach. This maximizes nitric oxide conversion and nutrient absorption. Rule number 4, fresh is everything. Beet nutrients oxidize within minutes. Drink your juice within 10 to 15 minutes of making it for maximum potency. Rule number 5, sip slowly. Don't gulp it. Sipping allows your digestive system to process nitrate steadily without overwhelming your stomach or bloodstream. And rule number 6, rotate your routine. Don't drink beet juice every single day. Rotate with low oxalate options like celery or cucumber to protect your mineral balance and reduce long-term oxalate buildup. The final truth: beet juice can be transformative, but only if you do it right. The wrong combinations trigger fermentation, block nutrients, irritate your stomach, and increase kidney stone risk. The right method turns a simple root into a powerful daily tonic that supports your heart, liver, circulation, and energy safely and effectively. Here's the twist most people never realize. Even if you've been drinking beet juice healthy for years, the wrong combinations could have been silently stressing your kidneys, spiking your blood sugar, or blocking the nutrients you need most. Something as innocent as adding sugar, lemon, or spinach could have quietly undone everything you were hoping for. That's why this knowledge is so powerful. It can completely change your energy, circulation, and overall well-being. Your health is built on small choices you make every single day. Choose wisely, choose simply, choose vitality. One small change in how you drink your beet juice today could make a bigger difference than years of guesswork ever did.